The aircraft maintenance is a highly regulated with structured process by national and international aviation authorities. These authorities are the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, in the United States, and the European Aviation Safety Agency, or EASA, in Europe. They have a standard regulations for aircraft maintenance, on which they required to all maintenance work must be carried out by qualified and certified mechanics or technicians. Aircraft maintenance includes all inspections, repairs, spare parts replacements, defect rectification, and overhauls in order to keep an aircraft safe to fly or airworthiness. The two main types of aircraft maintenance are: number 1, preventive maintenance, which is scheduled and aims to prevent future problems. The scheduled actions is to prevent future failures, like inspections, servicing, and part replacements. Number 2, corrective maintenance, is the unscheduled repairs to performed when the aircraft parts has broken or not working correctly. It is the corrective actions taken when unexpected issues happen to ensure the aircraft that always safe and reliable before its next flight. Both of them have common maintenance check that are categorized by their frequency and depth, such as line A, B, C, and D checks. This line maintenance is performed between flights, including pre-flight checks on any critical components, like landing gear and engines. The A checks are the inspections conducted of every 400 to 600 flight hours. The B checks are performed a deeper inspection every 6 to 8 months, together with A checks inspection. The C checks are heavy maintenance required on aircraft for 2 weeks out of service, to have a detailed inspections and repairs. The D checks is the most comprehensive check on every 6 to 10 years, on which the aircraft is partially disassembled for corrosion check and any damage. Always remember that the aircraft mechanics must always follow the strict safety protocols and regulations set by aviation authorities. They must always use a safety equipment and procedures to prevent accidents or minimize risks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel. Knowledge link information.
Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities, so do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never, and turn your mind into the truest to